This is very interesting case of truncus arteriosus with interrupted aortic arch. In this suprasternal image, what you see, this is aortic portion, this is pulmonary portion. So most superior one is suprasternal view, most superior portion is aortic portion, inferior portion is pulmonary portion. And this is PDA, is giving supply to descending aorta. So aortic arch is interrupted. This portion is giving rise to all the cranial vessels like subclavian artery, common carotid artery on both sides, or the descending aorta is being supplied from the pulmonary portion through PDA. And this is left-sided superior vena cava draining into coronary sinus. That is quite physiological thing, because ultimately drains into coronary sinus, that drains into right atrium. So ultimately left-sided superior vena cava also drains into right atrium. That does not have any clinical consequence. The next image, you can see, this is left-sided superior vena cava draining into coronary sinus. You can see the blue flow. Whenever you find blue flow from suprasternal view, other than aortic arch, something that is simply going from superior to inferior, that is going downwards, and this is most likely, in most scenario, it is left side superior vena cava that is draining into coronary sinus. Now the next image, same thing. If you see the case, you will see this turbulent portion is pulmonary portion through PDA giving blood to descending aorta. Image is not very good, but you see, this is descending aorta. You can see here the branch. This is left subclavian artery and this is left common carotid artery. From here you don't find any descending aorta. Descending aorta is being supplied through patent arteriosus. A patent arteriosus is a connection between aorta and pulmonary artery. So ultimately pulmonary artery giving supply to descending aorta. That is the scenario in this case. This is the case of truncus arteriosus, because only one great artery comes out of ventricle, obviously from both ventricle. So that is the case of truncus arteriosus. Truncus arteriosus with interrupted aortic arch. You can see here, this is PDA. This is aorta, suprasternal view. This is pulmonary artery. Again, this is left subclavian artery. No communication between. This is the descending aorta. You see, this is descending aorta, and this is aortic arch. You don't find any communication between this one and this is descending aorta. You can see this is, my cursor is at descending aorta like this. This is descending aorta, and this is aortic arch giving origin to left subclavian artery, but no communication exists between this aortic arch and descending aorta. And descending aorta is getting blood from main pulmonary artery. So that is why we call it interrupted aortic arch in case of truncus arteriosus. Here you can see, this is right pulmonary artery, R for right pulmonary, L for left pulmonary artery, and this is PDA, P for PDA, and this is descending aorta, and this is portion left sided superior vena cava, this portion. Thank you.